Hi, I am from Harmony Schools. This is STEM project, and I am working on pumping heart model. The heart is a pump of cardiovascular system. Heart drives the blood throughout the entire body's circulatory system. Let's see our project materials. Okay, you have look at the materials. And next, I already have made my model. Take a look at it. This model is completed already. So, I am going to explain it now. The balloon in the top right corner is right atrium and bottom right is right ventricle. It has a 6 inches tube going from RA to RV and a clamp in middle to control the flow of blood. And another 12 inches tube is going from RV to LA and an 18-inch tube is going from RA to LV but not connected to put the simulated blood, and also these two tubes have a clamp in the middle to control the flow of blood. And the last 6 inches tube is going from the LA to LV and again another clamp to control the flow of blood. This is a graduated cylinder. You add 100 milliliters of distilled water and add 1 drop of red food coloring to the cylinder of water and stir. The red water represents the blood. You add the blood from LV to the heart. And be careful, the food color might spill and leave the stain. And now carefully stretch the open of the LV balloon to fit over the free end of the 18 inches tube. Also, be sure to check the leakages. Now, you have completed adding simulated blood. Next we are going to do the heart model operation. First, open all the clamps and the half of the blood is in the right atrium and the other half is in the left atrium. Now close the clamps. To demonstrate how the heart pumps blood from one chamber to another, one person should operate the clamps and another should hold the right atrium in one hand and the left atrium in the other hand. As soon as the atria are squeezed, the tricuspid valve or clamp and the mitral valve should be opened so that the blood can flow from the right atrium to the right ventricle and from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Once again close the valves or clamps. Hold the right ventricle in one hand and the left ventricle in the other hand. As the ventricles are squeezed, you must open the valve. Once the blood has flowed from the right ventricle to the left ventricle and from the left ventricle to the right atrium, the valves must close again. Finally, that was the end of heart model operation. That means we are done with the project. Hope you enjoy and thanks for watching Harmony Schools.